Hello. Heather is a 22-year-old female with complaints of burning with urination that began 3 days ago. She does have a boyfriend. They are sexually active and they only use condoms sometimes. Heather is on oral contraceptives. Subjective information: she reports having urinary frequency and urgency. She has been drinking more water to try to treat these symptoms. Denies any recent any recent antibiotic use. She has had a bladder infection in the past, and it felt similar to the symptoms that she has now. No nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, or constipation. She is having some vaginal discharge that is whitish in color, she believes. She also has some vaginal irritation that could be from the new condoms that she recently used. History of chlamydia, age 16, has not been checked for STDs recently. She has been playing volleyball outside this summer and admits to not staying hydrated while doing that. No history of chronic illness. Only medication is the oral contraceptives. She has had tubes placed in her ears at 18 months of age, a mole removed from her leg at age 12. She works at Bob Evans as a waitress, and she's a college student who's taking a hiatus. She smokes less than a half pack per day. Objective information: 5'5", weighs 122 pounds, afebrile. No current distress noted. Her abdomen is soft with some mild suprapubic and lower quadrant tenderness bilaterally. Her urine dip shows large leukocytes with a specific gravity of 1.01, 0, and no other abnormalities. 3 differential diagnoses: number 1, chlamydia, vaginitis is number 2, number 3, urinary tract infection. Chlamydia is a very likely diagnosis because she has several of the physical findings of this disease: white blood cells in her urine, urethral syndrome, dysuria. She's also sexually active and only has protected sex sometimes, so that places her at risk for a sexually transmitted disease. Number 2, vaginitis, is also a likely diagnosis because she has the white colored discharge. She has been playing volleyball outside in the hot sun, most likely with tight fitted shorts on, and she's on oral contraceptives. The vaginal irritation that she's complaining about could be as a result of vaginal itching. All these things point towards vaginitis. Number 3, urinary tract infection, is not very likely. She does have several symptoms: the dysuria, the frequency, the suprapubic pain, and being sexually active. However, her urine dipstick shows only leukocytes, no nitrites or other abnormalities. My further learning question would be, should this patient also be treated for gonorrhea, since chlamydia and gonorrhea usually run concurrently in a patient? Thank you.